I'm not gonna lie, I was terrified at first. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing another self-tanning review for you. It's gonna be on the Bondi Sands Aerated Self-Tanning Foam in Ultra Dark. So I am on the hunt for the perfect self-tanner this summer. And if you want to join me on that hunt, make sure you're subscribing, make sure you're hitting the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload new content every Friday, so join me on this self-tanning journey and we can figure this out together. And if you enjoyed this video today and find it helpful, make sure you're giving it a thumbs up as well. It really helps my channel out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this Bondi Sands Self Tanner is an aerated tanning mousse. It comes in 3 shades, light, medium, dark, and ultra dark, which is the one that I purchased and will be doing a review on today. You get 7.61 fluid ounces and it retails for $29 US. You can purchase this online and in store at Walgreens, also on the Bondi Sands website and on Amazon as well. So I'll include some links in the description box below if you want to check any of those out. This product is also cruelty-free and vegan. So due to the aerated formula, this product is claimed to be very lightweight, really fast drying, and their deepest color yet. It contains dual action tanning additives, meaning it not only has 1 but 2 tanning ingredients in it to give you a really deep dark tan. It's formulated with vitamin E and jojoba to keep your skin moisturized and thus providing a longer tan. And it also claims to contain their signature coconut scent. They instruct you to apply the self-tanner with the tanning mint and leave it on for at least 6 hours before washing it off with warm water. I'm not gonna lie, I was terrified at first. Don't get me wrong, I love a good olive tone self-tanner. But this turned me like straight green, like Hulk status green. I was nervous. But as it like settled in, marinated in my skin, it turned into this beautiful olive tone color. Or maybe I just got used to it. I don't know, but nonetheless, it was a beautiful olive color over time. But be warned, when they say this product is quick drying, they mean it. Well, in certain terms, and we'll get to that later. But I did find it to be difficult to work with and difficult to spread, even with me moving at a faster speed. But with that being said, they claim that with its quick drying capabilities, it's supposed to dry really fast and make you feel like you don't have any self-tanner on, like no sticky feeling at all. And I did not find that to be true. It still took me, I found it to be the same as any other of my regular self-tanners. For reference, I normally use the Loving Tan or the Dripping Gold self-tanners. But those leave me feeling sticky. This one did as well. I wasn't able to dress for about 5 to 10 minutes and I was completely aware that I had self-tanner on for the next couple of hours. And also I want to mention that I only put on 1 layer, so it wasn't like I put on a ton, and that's why I only did 1 layer for this. Next, the smell. Now, if you've seen any of my self-tanning videos before, you will know that I do not think twice about the claims of self-tanners not having the classic self-tanning smell. They all do. The only one that I found that has come close to that claim is the Peta Jane Perfection Self-Tanner, which I have a review on, and I'll leave that link below if you want to check that out. But other than that, this one, it wasn't the worst smelling self-tanner that I've used, but it wasn't the best either. It is what it is. It's just what you gotta live with. But no, I did not smell any coconuts. I was not on a tropical island with this self-tanner. Not at all. I just smelled bad. That's all. I want to mention that I didn't see that it transferred anywhere. I do wear dark colored clothing when I self-tan, but my sheets aren't dark and I slept in it and I did not see any indication that it had transferred anywhere, so that's a good sign. So like I said, I slept in this. The next morning I washed it off. I did notice some of the color guard washing off. Not a big deal. I feel like that is the same with all self-tanners. But I felt like that my color stayed pretty true to the color guard. And this is actually, I should have mentioned this in the beginning, but this is the tan I have on today. I self-tanned yesterday, but this is not my first time wearing the self-tanner. I wanted to make sure that I gave a full review on it. So this is my second time, so FYI. And the wear time, I found that this lasted on me a good 5 to 6 days before I noticed like a a big difference in my color. And that is pretty typical with me and self tanners. Now it's always going to vary depending on your body chemistry and how much you shower and what products you're using and all of that. But I would say 5 to 6 days it's typical for me, so I consider it a good. I haven't had any, I really don't know of any self tanners that have lasted like any longer on me, so I'm good with the 5 to 6 days. But what's so good about this is the way that the color came off. It faded just evenly. Like it just one day I wasn't tan anymore. It didn't come off in patches. It wasn't like gross looking. It just faded so perfectly. It was like magic. I just woke up one day and I was no longer tan. I didn't have areas where the tan remained and I had to like scrub it off. So I really enjoyed that about this tanner because I hate scrubbing. So my overall thoughts is I really enjoyed this self tanner. I would definitely be including this in my tanning collection. I would recommend this product for anyone who is an experienced self tanner because of the fact that it is harder to work with and it's so quick drying. If you haven't self tanned before or you're not used to self tanning, I think you would have a difficult time with this product. And also if you're thinking about purchasing this, make sure that you like the olive undertone because that is what you're getting here. But don't be scared when you're first putting it on. It all works out in the end. So that's gonna wrap it up for this review. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know if you've tried this self tanner before or if there's any self tanners that you would like me to review in the future. I am down. So if you're new, please subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!